Hi buddies, welcome to Statistics Bio 7 YouTube channel. I am Dr. Mohanathaneri. Now we are the discussion topic how to calculate a correlation analysis and Correlogram in GraphPad PSM software. Okay, what is the correlation analysis and Correlogram? The correlation analysis is a statistical technique used to evaluate the strength and the direction of the linear relationship between two quantitative variables. It helps to understand how changes in one variable are associated with changes in another. The correlation coefficients range from -1 to 1, where 1 indicates a perfect positive linear relationship, 0 indicates non-linear relationship, -1 indicates a perfect negative linear relationship. Okay, the correlation analysis and the Correlogram. The Correlogram, one of the other hand, is a visual representation of the correlation coefficients in matrix form. Each cell in the matrix, the representation the correlation coefficients between two variables. The matrix is often color coded or entered to make it easier to interpret. Here, there are the steps to perform a correlation analysis and create a Correlogram in GraphPad PSM. Okay, the data preparation for the correlation analysis. Ensure that your data is clean and in a suitable format for the analysis. Computed correlation coefficients. Calculate the correlation coefficients between pair of variables. Commonly used methods include the Pearson correlations for linear relationship, Spearman correlation for monotonic relationship, and Candle correlations. They interpreted the result. The analyzes the correlation coefficients to understand the strength and direction of the relationship. Remember that the correlations do not the implication. The choose a visualization tool for the Correlogram. You can use various tools for the creating the Correlogram such as Python and R Studios and other the statistical software for the GraphPad PSM. The generated the Correlogram used to selected a tool to create a visual representation of the correlation matrix. The each cell solid represent to the correlation coefficients, and you can use the color or enters to highlight the strength and direction of the relationship. The interpreted the Correlogram. The analyzes the Correlogram to quickly identify the patterns of the correlation in your the data set. The positive correlation may be the representation by the warm color, the example for the red color. The negative correlation by the cool color for blue color, and stronger correlation by the dark shades. Okay, the correlation analysis and Correlogram. Keep in mind that the correlation analysis and Correlogram are most informative for the linear relationship. The non-linear relationship may not be the accurately captured by the correlation coefficients. Additionally, the correlations does not imply the causation, and further analysis may be needed to understand the underlying the dynamics of the relationship observed. Okay, go to the data set. Okay, this is the data set for the correlation analysis and the Correlogram. Already entered the data for the Excel sheet. This data set for the physicometallurgical parameter. Okay, the totally the 8 variable we take. The first one for the RBC, WBC, HP, PVC, ESR, MCH and MCH. Okay, now the copy data set for the copy to paste to the GraphPad PSM software. Select the whole the data, then copy. Okay, go to the GraphPad PSM software and the created for the choose the column options and the data table for the enter or import data into the new table. The next one for the options menu. The option menu first one selected for the enter the replicated value the stock into the columns. Okay, then click the created button. Okay, now the open the worksheet for the GraphPad PSM software. Select the cell for the group A title and right click and the paste the data. Now the paste the data for the worksheet in the GraphPad PSM software. Now analyzed for the correlation and the Correlogram. So the click the analysis button. The open the new tab for the analysis data. The selected for the XY analysis. Okay, then click for the select for the correlation menu and right click selected for the all the variable check the to the selected the check box. Then click the OK button. Okay, now the open the data for the new tab for the parameter of the correlations. Okay, now the first for the compute the correlation between the pairs of columns. Okay, the first choose the first options, computer R for every pair for the Y data set, the correlation matrix. Okay, this is a checkbox for the when a value is missing or excluded, remove the entire row from the calculation. So now the unclick for the checkbox because no missing data in our data set, so no selected for the checkbox. If you any data are missing your data set, please click the select the checkbox. Okay, the next one for the assume the data are sampled from the Gaussian distributions, the select the first option for the yes, computer Pearson correlation coefficients. Okay, the next one options for the p value for the one tail and two tail, selected for the two tail, and the confidence interval for the options is 95%. Okay, the next one for the p value, so the many significant digit of the every the expected p value for the two digit, the 0.0 after the 0 dot after the 2 digit. Okay, select the 2. Okay, the select for the graphing option, create the heat map because correlations of the Correlogram for the correlation matrix, select the checkbox, then click the OK button. Okay, this is for the Pearson correlation analysis, calculate for the GraphPad Prism software. Okay, the RBC is a 1. Okay, the RBC and the WBC is a positive correlated 0.21, and the RBC in the hemoglobin for the HB is a positive correlated, and RBC and PVC also positive. Then ESR MCH also the RBC positive value. Okay, then RBC and MCH also negative correlated. Then next one for the WBC, then WBC HB also negative correlated and PVC also negative correlated, then positive for the ESR and MCH. Okay, then negative correlated for MCH and WBC. Okay, hemoglobin for the HB, the HB is PVC is highly positive correlated, and the ESR and MCH and MCH also the positive correlated. Okay, the next one options for the p values, this is a p value for the Pearson correlation analysis. Okay, this is for the p value for RBC and WBC, p value for 0.617, and the RBC and HB p value for 0.296. Okay, this is a p value options for the correlation analysis. Next one for the sample size, we take the 8 variable and 8 samples, so total of the value for the samples is 8. Okay, then the last one for the confidence interval for the R, this is a confidence interval for the R is a value for the RBC, RBC and WBC confidence interval minus 0.58 to 0.8, and HB also the minus 0.40 to 0.87. This is for the confidence interval R in the GraphPad Prism software. Next one for the created in the Correlogram, this is a graph already created in the Correlogram. This is a graph options, go to the Pearson correlations data set, click the options, this is for the graph. Okay, if you the customized in the graph for the Correlogram, double click of the graph, the open the new tab, format of the graphs. Okay, this is for the color map double graph. This is the largest value in the blue color, this is a one value largest in the positive correlated, and the red color is a warm color red, then this is a -1 is a negative correlated, then white is a neutral correlated. Okay, if you want to change this color, the options a color map for the standard color. Okay, this is a many color for the standard color. Okay, choose the rainbow. Okay, this is a rainbow color or the reverse rainbow. Okay, this is a reverse rainbow. The blue is a positive correlated and the red is a negative correlated. Okay, the next one options for the graph setting. Okay, this is a graph setting for the cell border and heap map border of the with 1 point or 2 point increase in these options. Okay, the next one for the title. Okay, so the title. Okay, the title for the Pearson or Correlogram, change to the font Time Roman and the bold and 14, then apply. Okay, okay, change. Next one for the label options, this is a label for the cell volume, the cell volume center of the value in the correlation analysis. Okay, this is for the auto color, this is a font change to the label value, Okay, the choose the time Roman and regular and 10, then apply. Okay, change for the 10 font size and the regular time Roman font. Okay, the next one for the row labels. Okay, this is for the row labels. The row labels customized for the position the left or right. Okay, this is the right options, they change to the right options. Okay, the left, and the horizontal or vertical options, this is a vertical and this is a horizontal, the change to the font time Roman, then bold and 12 digit, then apply. Okay, the next one for the column label, this is a column label. Okay, on the top, on the bottom. Okay, bottom options on the top. Okay, this is for the vertical or horizontal option, change to the column label or 45-degree angle. Okay, vertical. Okay, this is a change to the font time Roman, select the bold and 12, then okay, apply. The next one options for the gap, this is the gap of the center of the value of the correlation. Then no legend option, this is for the legend options. Okay, the position for the vertical or horizontal, the horizontal vertical change to the option, change to the bottom menu, and the vertical change to the right side of the Correlogram. Okay, this is the border thickness, change to the 2. Okay, border thickness change to the border interval to 0.52 and -1 for the range of the scale value. Okay, then click the OK button. Okay, this is for the correlation analysis and the Correlogram in GraphPad Prism software. If you any doubt, leave me the comments box, I will help you. Thank you for watching this video. If you like our channel videos, please click the subscription button and support to me, join to the channel membership. Thank you.